You're overthinking YouTube and it's costing you sales. Here's the truth. You don't need fancy production or hours of editing your videos to make YouTube work for your business. I want to walk you through how a minimalist YouTube video can save you time, grow your audience, and make you sales every single day. I know this because I worked with hundreds of business owners who felt stuck. They thought their videos had to look like basically a Hollywood production. In fact, one of my clients that I worked with is a professional photographer, and she was spending hours on editing and being very detailed with the nuances of her video editing because she was a photographer and noticed these things. But what she also noticed is her videos she was posting weren't really helping making her sales. So when we talked about how to simplify, how to minimalize what we're doing on YouTube and adjust the actual content in the video and how we're delivering it, and she embraced a simpler process, she signed a client from a video that had only been live for 2 hours. So I'm here to tell you, if you've been avoiding YouTube because it feels like it's too much work or you think your videos aren't polished enough, this is why minimalist videos make YouTube doable and are incredibly effective. What the heck is a minimalist video, Trina? Gotcha. The first thing to think about with a minimalist video is focusing on the message in the video over all the fancy visuals you think you need to have in that video. So those special pop-ups and text call-outs and transitions. Your audience, your ready to buy viewer as a business owner does not care so much about that as they do about how you are helping them with the problem they have. How is your video giving them the solution? That's what a minimalist video is. It's focused on the content in the video. The second thing a minimalist video is you're focused on advanced topics because you can create minimalist videos when you're not focused on content that's highly saturated. What type of content is highly saturated on YouTube? Beginner content. And if you follow anything that I teach here, I talk about the profitable keyword framework, which helps us attract our ready to buy viewer. This viewer is more advanced. This viewer is the person right before they decide to invest in you as a coach, as a service provider, a consultant, a course. And those people are not looking for that beginner content. This is why you can really have a minimalistic video on YouTube because this type of content is not saturated. There's not a lot out there and people are looking for it. And these are people that want a solution. And if you have that, they're gonna be ready to buy it. Another part of a minimalistic video is use simple, distraction-free backgrounds. And I know you're thinking you can't film because you don't have an office or a space to film. You just need to think about this square right here. I have shot content in my bedroom. I have shot content in my living room. I have a client who has booked a $9,000 brand deal and she shoots her content in her guest bedroom. So don't be waiting till you have the perfect background or don't think you need to set up a backdrop and all of that. You just need simple, distraction-free backgrounds. And the last piece of a minimalistic video is prioritizing one takeaway. Look, your viewer is coming to your video based on that title. Stay on track with that title. That's exactly what I teach inside my mini course, the video game plan. I walk through how to use the video game plan, why it's important, and how to make sure your videos stay on task to deliver that one key takeaway. If you're interested in learning more about the video game plan, you can go to trenalittle.com/video plan. I also want to talk about some things a minimalistic video is not. It is not having all the fancy equipment that you see YouTubers have. Look, you don't even need fancy light setup. You need maybe a simple ring light or a window. Right here, natural light is the best type of light. You also just don't need to worry about the whole aesthetic of your video. Yes, it's important as part of your brand and how you want to show up online, but what I mentioned earlier, your viewer is showing up for value. They're coming to your video to solve a problem, and that's what you need to focus on. For example, I had a client of mine who hit over 100,000 YouTube subscribers, making daily sales on these videos while using a video recorder, like not her phone, not a camera, like old school video camera. And she was able to grow her channel from 200 subscribers to 100,000 and start making daily sales of her ebooks with that equipment. Proof. All right, so we know what a minimalist video is, but why do these work? Why am I pushing this minimalistic video idea? Minimalistic videos work because they build trust and authority with the viewer because they're real and relatable. Who is your viewer going to buy from? I'm gonna guess you have at least 20 competitors out there, and that's fine. But what is going to make them decide to work with you? Absolutely your expertise, absolutely your authority. But they also need to like you as a person. They need to feel connected with you as a person. So if you aren't showing up authentically, real, and I know the word authentic, it's a buzzword, but if you aren't showing up as yourself and kind of just welcoming them in to an office or a coffee shop with you, there's not that connection. That's why these minimalistic videos work for business owners. They create that instant connection. Minimalist videos are also optimized for value. When you can continue to give your viewer value video after video for free here on YouTube, it's not only gonna keep them coming back to watch your content, but eventually you're going to sell them. They may not buy on that first video, that second video, maybe they don't buy on that 10th video, but if they've watched 10 videos from you, odds are they're going to buy something from you. As a business owner, we don't need these massive TED Talk videos because we don't want to fire hose information. Our goal, especially on our YouTube videos, is to give them the answer or the solution to the problem they're looking to solve. Listen, people come to YouTube with the intent to solve a problem, and we need to have that content readily available for them. So the quicker you can give them that win, show them how that solution can work for them, the quicker they're gonna wanna work with you behind a paid wall. Now, minimalistic videos work best for business owners because what you hear other YouTube educators and gurus talk about is YouTube for YouTubers. And business owners, we don't need to follow that. We don't need the flashy editing and all of that ADHD editing. Why? Because as YouTubers, they're getting paid by YouTube AdSense. So how do they make more money from YouTube AdSense? They get more views, they get more watch time, they make more content. As business owners, how are you making money? Course sales, one-on-one clients, right? You do not need tens of thousands of views in long videos to make the money you need in your business. I've been behind the scenes of channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and I see what they're making from AdSense, and I make that or more each month in my business with course sales and coaching clients. I know many of you are business owners that watch my content, but are any of you watching actual YouTuber channels? I'm just curious, are there any particular YouTubers that you watch? I would love to hear who they are down in the comments, but I also want to see if you understand the difference between those types of videos and the types of videos that I'm creating. So share with me if you're watching any YouTubers and who they are in the comments below. Now you want to know, okay, Trina, how do I create a minimalistic video? Now, before I take you through the steps in how to create a minimalistic video, I want you to know I'm hosting a training called the Minimalistic YouTube System, where I'm going to break down my entire system that I've been doing for 10 years, that I've taught my clients to create simple strategic videos in under 2 hours a week that will drive daily sales. If you're finally thinking about getting off Instagram, if you're finally ready to stop worrying about TikTok and you want to commit to long form content that won't expire in 24 hours, get a seat. This is totally free. You can get a glimpse into this system to see if it's doable for you at trenalittle.com/workshop. Your first thing is making sure you're focusing your content on your ready to buy viewer. So remember, we're not creating beginner content here. You're creating more advanced content, which means, yeah, you're not gonna get a lot of views on it, but the views you are getting are the people who are ready to have their problem solved and are more likely to buy from you. Once you have that topic, then you need to craft your title and your thumbnail concept. These are non-negotiables here in a minimalistic video, or basically on any video on YouTube, because if you can't win the click on YouTube, it doesn't matter how good your content is, nobody is going to see it. And you need to make sure your title and your thumbnail are really good before you even move on to crafting the actual content of the video. The next thing you need to do is deliver that value. Stick to the point of the title and the thumbnail. That's why you need the title and the thumbnail first, so you ensure everything that you deliver on that video stays on point. If you start to veer and take a side road, they're gonna leave your video. And they may not come back and watch another video from you because they think you talk too much or they think that's not what you needed. So stick to the video game plan. Use some tools to simplify the process. There are more tools today to simplify and create minimalistic videos than I had 10 years when I started YouTube. I've been using ChatGPT to really help me build out my outline for my videos, to make that quicker, to come up with title ideas, just to start brainstorming. ChatGPT is a great resource. There's also now Descript, which is an AI editing tool. I've tried to use it. I'm used to Final Cut Pro, and so my learning curve over on Descript at the moment is a little too high for me to jump over there, but I know so many of my clients are using Descript and making editing a lot faster. And then of course, leveraging my video game plan, which I talked a little bit about earlier, which really takes you through the process of making these minimalistic videos in the right process for YouTube. These types of videos work. I mentioned my photographer client who booked a client just 2 hours after her minimalistic video was posted. My frugality niche client who grew to 100,000, who's now at 200,000 subscribers with simple, consistent videos. If you want to deep dive into how I've built my minimalistic YouTube strategy and help my clients build their minimalistic YouTube strategy, I'm hosting a free workshop called, you guessed it, the Minimalistic YouTube System. I will show you the entire process on how I create these simple, powerful videos that drive me multiple sales every single day without wasting time or energy, because I do my YouTube strategy in just 2 hours a week. Grab your seat at trenalittle.com/workshop. And then if you're ready to start your YouTube channel today, watch the video that is on your screen right now, because I'm jumping into the minimalistic guide to starting a YouTube channel in 2025. So I'll catch you in that video right there.